Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix Roblox not launching, so let's get started. First, open your desktop and make sure Roblox is closed completely. If not, quit the app. Now click on the search bar at the bottom and type Add or Remove Program and open it. Once it loads, search for Roblox in the list. Locate Roblox Player, not Roblox Studio, and uninstall it by clicking Uninstall twice. Once done, open your browser. Go to the Roblox website and click to launch any game like Racing Game. It will prompt you to download and install Roblox again. Click on Download and Install Roblox, then run the setup and follow the on-screen instructions. It may take a few minutes to install and configure. Once finished, click Join again on the game and Roblox should successfully launch. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.